Let's do invisible locks on short hair and medium length hair. Now we have 2 males for today, and the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your parts are straight. Even though some of my parts will not be straight because this boy moves. He's just moving all about the place, but I'm just trying my best to work with it. And as usual, I'm using my Shine and Jam. Notice my finger movements. I'm using 4 of my fingers, one to twist and the other one to smoothen the twist while I go down. You will see the finger movements once more. So if you're a total beginner, you'll understand that it's not difficult. It's like you are doing a flat twist. So you're going to use your 4 fingers, one set of fingers to twist, and the other behind it smoothening. It's always good to have these section clips because they will help you along. As you can see, his hair is short because it recently started growing out. So what I'm going to do is to ensure that the braid is going to grip his hair. So if you are doing a client with short hair and they don't have a problem with braids, this is how one way that you can add in your braids. And I always try to put the braid around the hair to kind of hide the hair in between because I don't want it poking out. So I'm just going to twist it around, ensuring that both sides of the hair is in the middle of the braid so it's hidden. As you can see, I'm just going to continue twisting until I get to the end. And once I get to the end, I'm just going to fold and do a wrap around. At the end of doing all the hair, then I'll just add elastic to the ends to secure them. And of course, if you want to twist it right to the end without folding and wrapping, you have that option as well. But this is just the option that I chose. So it looks when we are finished. And now we're just going to repeat the steps for the entire head. I'm just going to show you a few more times. So we have 1 row down, and I'm moving to the side of the head to complete this row. Of course, I'll be showing you a few more times how it's done. So we are almost through with his head. We just have a few more to go. Let's finish out this row. While you watch, please be reminded that this is just one way in which I do my son's hair. It's by no means the only way for you to do this style, but if you are interested, you can go ahead and try this style. If you have any other way that you do it and you would like to share, you can link your video below in the description, or you can just give me a description of how you do your invisible locks. I'm always willing to try out new trends, new techniques on how to do things more effectively. So communicate with me, share with me, how do you do your invisible locks? Is it different from mine? Is it the same? Let me know in the comments below.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur?
For this one, I'm going to add in a little more braid after I start twisting because it's getting slimmer when I don't want it to get slim as yet. So I just added in a little more braid just to let the twists look as identical as possible because you don't want it to be getting thin too fast. So that's why I just simply added a piece of braid to it. And it's quite simple. You see me do this a few more times.
You, my heart's more than a toy. Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message for
the rest that is left. I'm just doing all the flat twists, and then I'm going to secure them with our section clips. And then from there, the only thing I'll be doing is just going through and adding the braids. I find that this makes it easier, so that's what I did.
would my girl. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you.
Finally, we are finished, and I added a little mousse to his hair. Oh my God, I think we wouldn't be finished. This boy moved so much, it's not even funny. I'm just going to add the do-rag to his head. Then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer just to dry out the mousse and get those flyaways laying down. If you are doing this style on a child such as mine, you just have to expect that they're going to move, and you have to be flexible. You have to just be able or be willing to just move and roll with the punches. For our reveal, and here we have it, the completed hairstyle. It's looking so good. You would not believe that it was his short hair that is looking like this now, and he's just spinning so hard. It's not funny, and it even looks real. Next we are going to the medium length hair. This is my older son, so his hair is so much easier. You will notice that I'm just going through with my flat twist, and all I'm doing here for his hair is just to add the braid in the middle. I don't have to do anything fancy. Add the braid in the middle, twist, fold, and wrap. Nothing fancy. The taller the hair, the easier it is for it to be done. And this is our finished product, and he is ready for school. Guys, so much for staying tuned to the end of the video. If you like this video, give us a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.
And you know